as we progress through life, it's so important to keep up with our health. There's so many medical checks that people don't go out there to receive. Thankfully, the Romero Medical Plaza is going to make it very easy for our local senior citizens very soon by bringing it all to one place at the Senior Health and Wellness Fair. Joining us today in studio is Dr. Carlos Romero, President and CEO of Romero Medical Plaza, Luis Hernandez, Community Representative for the Access Center Florida, and Rudy George, Senior Benefit Consultant of WellCare Health Plans. Thank you guys for joining us today.
Thank you for inviting us.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you for having us.
So Dr. Romero, tell me, this is your first year doing the fair. So what was the reasoning that you guys came up with the fair? Why did you put it on this year?
Well, at Romero Medical Plaza, we have a passion for health, and we have a strong belief that the key of success it is preventative medicine and control of chronic medical conditions.
So on that same note, you guys offer a multitude of services to the senior citizens that attend the fair here. Tell me a little bit about what services you're offering.
At the health fair, we're going to have some health screening services and a variety of other entertainments.
We're going to be having educational material. There's going to be other type of vendors like different specialists that people have any questions regarding their situation, that everybody has different needs. We just want to make it fun. There's going to be raffles. There's going to be really nice prizes. They're welcome. There's going to be some brochures out there that will have more specifics regarding this fun event.
From a WellCare's perspective, we will be there educating. Our job is to provide information to those people that are going to be receiving Medicare. Either they're receiving Medicare currently or about to receive it, or they may have Medicare and Medicaid. It's a very confusing topic. We're going to provide easy to understand information so we can help those seniors progress through their healthcare scenarios.
Now, some people attending the fair may not be so comfortable if they don't know who's doing the procedures, the medical procedures. So are you guys going to have physicians out there or doctors, or who's going to be doing these medical services?
It's a very good question. We will have primary care physicians on site, and also we'll have specialist physicians on site to cover any need for the community and the senior citizens.
Yeah. Great. So, Luis, tell me a little bit about who is Access Florida and what is your involvement with the event?
Access Florida, it's a state program through Department of Children and Family, where many of our community range of senior citizens qualify for extra help. We're there to educate them, we're there to assist them, as nowadays everything is computerized, applications and so on. These programs, they vary depending on needs of each person. We're there to educate them, we're there to guide them, we're there to maximize all their benefits for them to receive all of their help that they're in needs of. And most of the community, most of the senior citizens, average of more than 85% qualify for that extra help. There's still a lot of people that do not know regarding about that help, or they're unable to do their application. We're there to assist. Our doors are open to our community. We have a range of staff certified through the Department of Children and Family. The Winter Haven office, at our Lakeland office, we have Davina, we have Aliana, we have Rosie, we have Mr. Hugo, we have Jackie, myself. So there's a range of programs out there that it would be state programs, county programs, federal programs. As well, we're educating our community regarding the law that is having health insurance through the Affordable Care Act. There's still a lot of people confused. There's still a lot of people that do not know how this program works. And it's the law. We're there to educate them. We're there to help them.
What is WellCare? What are you guys doing with the event?
Okay, well, WellCare is a government-sponsored Medicare and Medicaid provider. So once Luis has helped them maybe qualify for some of those state programs or something else, we then come in. And so we provide additional benefits from Medicare side or the Medicaid side, and we help educate. Myself or one of our other members, we meet with those potential beneficiaries, and educate them on how their Medicare works, how their Medicaid might work. Again, if they qualify for something else, if we get to them before Louise gets to them, then we kind of educate them on the process. They qualify them for those additional benefits. As a company, this is one of our opportunities to reach out to the community and kind of explain that myth about how the system works, because Medicare has a variety of different parts and they're all moving in different directions. So we kind of bring the whole thing together and make it palatable, really easy to understand, so our members understand not only the benefits that they're going to get, but how they get them and how the doctor works with it, how the extra help they might get, or the other benefits or the other insurances might work with what we bring to the table. And it just takes that mystery out of it. And as many people understand and know, knowledge is power. And especially when you're dealing with your health care, seniors, they're lost a lot of times because the healthcare delivery system is changing so drastically that we need a mechanism, we need to understand how it all works together so you can make sure that our doctors can take care of those members.
It's a tight budget time for everyone, and with so many seniors on a fixed income, talk about the importance of a free event like this where they can become educated about their medical help that they can receive.
Oh, just as you said, it's a free event, so everybody gets to come and learn. They learn about what Luis does in his office and the benefits that might be out there, the services they can provide to get that extra help. Maybe the state has a program that they may not be aware of, or there's a Part D program, the medications, where they can reduce their cost of medications. Well, that's a huge expense. I was just reading yesterday on Facebook that one of the biggest problems we have as seniors is the overdose and over medication and so on. So the doctor's office, they take that into consideration. They look at that patient's medications. They maybe filter some things out, make sure there's the right interactions, and they all get the benefit. We all get the benefit because you get the doctor, you get the extra help, and then the plan kind of puts it all together from the insurance company standpoint.
That is correct. It's a complicated process, but it's a process. We just simplify it. People that need to recertify for food assistance, that's every 6 months. People that need to recertify for Medicaid, Medicare Savings Program, that's every year. People that need to recertify from calendar year for LIS, low income subsidy, extra help for prescription drugs through Social Security. So there's a lot of programs available. We just simplify it. We educate them. We try to follow up and make sure that they're taken care of so their health doesn't lapse. It's a free event. We want to make it fun. It's going to be educational. Senior citizens could really benefit, actually, not just senior citizens, all the community regarding the Affordable Care Act too, that again, it's educational too. Everything just ties up regarding the health fair. It's free. It's awareness, it's educational, it's to assist the community to see their options that they have.
So it is a senior event. Is there any minimum age that you have to be to attend the fair?
There is not a minimum age. It's a community event, so everyone is welcome, even though it's directed to the senior citizens. Because at the Romero Medical Plaza, we have a quality care for our community. It's one of our principles. Me being a physician in the county for like around 13 years, I have seen the need in the medical aspect in the community. So that's why I have put some puzzles together through programs that benefit the community and senior citizens, so we can deliver those services and we can reach out to the community. The community can come to us, but we're also going to reach out to them doing this health fair and doing this wellness fair for the senior citizens and the whole community.
Thank you guys for coming out to talk with us today. Really appreciate it.
Thanks for having us.
Thanks a lot.
It's easy to let it slide in the busy schedule, but don't let your health go unchecked. Come on out to the Senior Health and Wellness Fair, Saturday, May 2nd. It'll be at the First Presbyterian Church of Lakeland at 175 Lake Hollingsworth Drive. It's free to all in attendance. Come enjoy live entertainment, games, giveaways, massages, food, and more, all while checking on your health. For more information, you can call 863-412-8385 or visit www.romeromedicalplaza.com.